8 home remedies to stop snoring. 1. Exercise. For people with mild snoring, research has shown that mouth and throat exercises can help tone the muscles around the airway so that snoring is not as frequent or noisy. Likewise, the same mouth and throat exercises have been shown to improve mild to moderate obstructive sleep apnea. Anti-snoring mouth exercises can be of massive benefit to almost all snorers. We know that getting some exercise can help us lose weight, which is a great way to tackle snoring. Increasingly, we are seeing that exercise to help snoring needn't involve running, cycling or swimming, or even breaking a sweat. More people are turning to mouth, tongue, and throat exercises to take control of their snoring and are seeing amazing results. Snoring is caused by slack tissue in your airway increasing resistance to air passing through. Anti-snoring exercises aim to tone up this slackened tissue, treating the root cause of snoring. See more detail at the link in the description below the video. 2. Lose weight if you are overweight. This will help reduce the amount of tissue in the throat that might be causing your snoring. You can lose weight by reducing your overall caloric intake by eating smaller portions and more healthy foods. Make sure you get regular exercise daily. You may also consider seeing your doctor or a nutritionist for help. 3. Sleep on your side. Sleeping on your back sometimes causes the tongue to move to the back of the throat, which partly blocks airflow through your throat. Sleeping on your side may be all you need to do to allow air to flow easily and reduce or stop your snoring. 4. Raise up the head of your bed. Elevating the head of your bed by 4 inches may help reduce your snoring by keeping your airways open. 5. Limit or avoid alcohol before bed. Try not to consume alcohol for at least 2 hours leading up to your bedtime. Alcohol can relax the throat muscles, causing snoring. 6. Avoid taking sedatives before bed. If you snore and take sedatives, talk to your doctor to see what your options are. Stopping sedative use before bed may ease your snoring. 7. Stop smoking. Smoking is an unhealthy habit that can worsen your snoring. Talk to your doctor about therapies, such as gum or patches, that can help you quit. 8. Get enough sleep. Make sure you get the recommended 7 to 8 hours of sleep you need each night. Like and subscribe channel to get notified as soon as possible when we have a new video. Thanks for watching.